Okay, VectoBac WDG for backpack spray application to control container mosquitoes is typically applied at 7 ounces per acre. The acceptable range is from 3.5 ounces per acre up to 14 ounces per acre. However, we really try to target 7 ounces per acre, which is right in the middle of that range. Our field experience is that VectoBac WDG spray mixes applied through the Stihl SR450 as configured will result in about 3 gallons of spray mix applied per acre. However, it's very important to check the calibration of each individual machine and the calibration of your individual sprayers so that you are sure that you're in that range and can make adjustments to your spray mix in order to achieve that 7 ounces of VectoBac WDG per acre that you're targeting. The first step in calibrating a power backpack for VectoBac WDG spray application is to measure the flow rate of the machine. To do that, you start with a known quantity of water put into the machine, and then you run the machine at full throttle with the system as configured and determine how long it takes that known quantity to come out. Following that, you can do some math to determine the flow rate in gallons per minute or liters per minute. The standard approach to calibration is to use your speed, which we suggest a speed of 1 mile an hour, a very slow, lazy pace so that you're sure you take the time to cover all the known and suspected habitats on a particular property. We have measured the swath width of the Stihl SR450 to spray about 20 feet of coverage from the nozzle. We know that from earlier tests that the machine delivers a flow rate of 450 milliliters per minute. Doing the math with these figures, we come out to approximately 3 gallons per acre. With 3 gallons per acre, in order to achieve 7 ounces per acre of VectoBac WDG, we need about 2.33 ounces of VectoBac WDG per gallon. However, this standard approach to calibration is not really ideal for spraying residential yards with VectoBac WDG. And so we have to account for several things. Number one, we may not have exactly 450 milliliters per minute coming from the sprayer. Each individual sprayer should have its flow rate measured so you know specifically what the flow rate from that sprayer is. In addition to that, you are not able to walk linear lines through residential properties at exactly 1 mile an hour in order to treat. You're having to stop, you're having to turn, you're having to go around objects. So this 3 gallons per acre, while it is a good place to start for your initial mixes, you will still need to track how much you are using to spray individual properties over time and develop an average spray volume per acre based on the information you develop from spraying individual properties.